In this demonstration, we'll take a look at how to create configuration groups within the Junos OS. Now, I'll start by taking a look at my existing configuration. If I type in the show command, you'll notice at the very top here, I have my system configuration where right away we can see things like the host name and the domain name are already set. I have a name server set. I have some login configuration that's created as well, like user Bob. But you'll notice that above system, we don't have any configuration groups that have been created. So that's what I want to do, is I want to create a configuration group that I can then later apply to different areas of my configuration. Now, to create a configuration group, we use the edit groups command, and then you specify the name of the group that you want to create. In this case, I want to create a Glen SNMP group. Now, you'll notice the prompt kind of displays that we're in the groups Glen SNMP portion of the configuration. And at this point, I can plug in my different configuration statements. So I want to do the set SNMP contact statement, and I'm going to set the contact to glenn@glennyclark.com. I'm also going to do the set SNMP community, and I'll set that to public, and I'll also set my authorization to read only. Now what I want to do is go to the top of my configuration, and I'm going to use my show command to display the configuration. You'll notice the difference here is at the very top above system. So notice there's our system section with my host name and domain name and name server settings. But above the system portion of the configuration, notice that we do have a groups section where each of my configuration groups are defined. And I currently have one configuration group called Glen SNMP, which has SNMP settings in it, like the contact setting has been defined and the community has been defined. So at this point, I'm now ready to apply the Glen SNMP configuration group to different areas of my configuration. So in this demonstration, you saw how to create a configuration group.